Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Candy Crush Saga profile picture. First, understand that your game's profile image usually syncs directly from your Facebook account. This means any changes you want to make in Candy Crush Saga will primarily happen through Facebook. Make sure you have a strong internet connection and your Facebook login details ready for the next steps. This foundational link is crucial for managing your game's appearance. To begin, launch the Candy Crush Saga app on your smartphone or tablet. Once inside the game, look for the gear icon, which usually represents the settings menu. Tap on it and navigate through the options until you find Connect to Facebook or Login with Facebook. Follow the prompts to securely link your game profile with your Facebook account. This step is essential for synchronizing your profile image. Next, you will need to open the Facebook application or website independently. Go to your personal profile page, where your current profile picture is displayed. Tap or click on your profile picture and choose the option to update profile picture. Select a new image from your device's gallery or take a new one, then save your changes. Remember, this Facebook update directly impacts what Candy Crush Saga will display. After you have successfully changed your profile picture on Facebook, return to your Candy Crush Saga game. It might take a moment, but the game should automatically sync and update your profile image within about 1 minute. If you do not see the change immediately, try closing and reopening both the Candy Crush app and Facebook. In some cases, clearing the Candy Crush Saga app's cache on your device can also help refresh the display. Your new picture should now appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.